guys, Third Coast Patriot. So I just took a quick drive around my area, around the neighborhood, south side of Rockport, out here by Cove Harbor, 12th Street, 16th, Corpus Christi Street, Business 35 and Market. The water's pretty high, the ditches are gonna be full, okay? As it starts to heat up today, be aware of snakes, all right? Mosquitoes are gonna start getting bad here in the next few days. And if you don't have to be on the road, don't be on the road. Like I said, the water is high. You don't want to cause the damage to your vehicle if you don't have to. And please remember that, you know, you can't see the road underneath the water. You don't know how deep it is. You don't really know how strong it is until you get into it in some areas. Okay? You guys be safe out there today. And ITM service will be here for you before and after the storm, guys. Have a great day.